That's very good. What you do, sir?
Sir,
What you do? I want to
sir,
know what I want.
I am Muhammad Shafir. I am from Trivandrum, Kerala. I
Yes.
am a post BCom graduate. Okay.
I. Mm-hmm.
After that, I started work on ICICI Bank and another bank for personal loan, home loan, insurance sales as a
I
sales and
see.
marketing job around 8 to 9 years. Okay.
I see. Yeah.
Before that, around 4 to 5 years, I was in Abu Dhabi and Dubai also worked in same job, sales.
I see. In Dubai also.
Yes.
Yes.
At
Yes.
present, I am sitting here around 3 years doing a personal loan, home loans business independently.
I see. I see.
A
So this is your
freelance.
personal. So you are a freelancer. You are
Yeah,
providing
yeah.
them.
Yeah. I am providing through different private banks. I have a business code.
I see. I see.
Like an LIC agent job. Do you know LIC agent job?
Yes. 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 Similar
LIC
to.
agent selling life insurance. I am selling loans.
Yes. Yes. But like there are two kind of things that what people are doing. People are providing their own funds. Like
Yes, yes.
I need loan. I went through you. Okay, I need a loan. I went through Mr. Shah, and I told him I need a loan. So some people, what they are doing, they're providing their own funds. Like you give me your own money as a loan. So you're not
But
doing
we
like
are
that.
providing loan only for salaried people, not
Only
self-employed.
salary. I
Yeah,
see.
based on the salary slip, I am not
Uh-huh.
providing, bank providing. I am the collector, document collecting to the bank and
Mhm.
arranging the loan approval.
I see. It's a middle person.
Yes, middle person.
I see. I see. So how's going on, sir? How's going on?
Everything, sir, everything. I like your 2, 3 videos very much.
I see. I see.
Recently, one lady called me. She is from Sandhya, Bihar.
Ah.
Do you remember?
No, sir.
One lady called me. She is from Bihar, Patiala. She was studying in a local school. After that, she doesn't know how to speak English. She
Mhm.
insulted after
Ah,
it.
yes. Yes, yes. I remember now.
And
Yes.
after that, one person called me from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Hassan.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, you remember now?
Yes, yes. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah,
Alhamdulillah. Most
alhamdulillah.
of around 80% your video I already watched.
Okay, what is the good thing you like in my video? What is the good? What is the positive
You,
point?
positive side is anyone can chat with you free,
Mm-hmm.
not
Yes.
any. I don't know that word is not coming with that is my main problem.
Mm-hmm.
Anyone can chat with you without any hesitation.
Yes, yes,
Hesitation.
yes,
Hesitation.
yes, 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 yes. Great,
That
great.
that is the main advantage.
Yes. And I want to know your purpose of learning English.
Purpose actually there is not any purpose because
Mm.
nowadays youth are wasting their times. They are not doing anything. All full time watching, playing with the games in mobile.
Yes,
Sometimes they are watching cinema.
I see.
Sometimes they are doing nothing.
Yes, yes. Not sometime or most of the time.
if I told them utilize your time, they are fighting with me. What should I do?
Yes, yes, yes.
I think something different. I am
Mm-hmm.
doing something different
I see. Great,
to
great.
learn,
You're doing.
to learn something. I know English speaking below average. I am trying
Mm-hmm.
to improve a little bit more.
I see. I
I
see.
also chat with Cambly, not chat. I listen so many videos on Cambly,
I see.
but that is expensive.
I see. I see. Yeah, very
Uh,
expensive. Gamble is very expensive, sir.
I
Gamble
can't
is too
afford it.
expensive. Yes, even nobody, even I can't afford, sir. Most of the people they can't afford. Most of the people they can't afford. It's very, very expensive. And we have alternative as well. Cambly's alternative we have available. There are lots of other applications are available on the market. They provide good quality education in a say the very cheap price. In a very cheap price. There are so many applications are available on the market.
If you don't mind, I will call you sometimes, not in every day. If you allow me, I have to call you per week, 2 3 times in a
Yes,
week.
per week. Inshallah, inshallah, sir. Inshallah. I can't say yes, but inshallah, you can.
I know your busy schedule, all over the world calling.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. I've got so many call in a one day. I've got so many call. So, this is my responsibility to, receive their call and give them, talk with them at least 10 to 15 minutes.
Sir, one more thing, your highbrow app, I does not working. I already update yesterday.
Yes. Well, I extremely sorry for that. It's, some bug inside. There is some bug inside. So, the developer, I told the developer, they're trying to remove the bug. It will take 1 more week, sir. Give me 1 more week. It will be fine. It will be fine, inshallah.
Inshallah, inshallah.
And
Sir, you are
do you have,
in Gujarat,
yeah,
Surat.
sorry?
Right now, you are in Surat, Gujarat.
Yes, sir. I am calling from Surat, Gujarat.
The cutting, diamond cutting, what
Yes,
famous diamond cutting.
diamond polishing, the world number one diamond polishing in Surat, Gujarat. We are the one.
Also, silk sarees. Silk
Also
sarees.
silk, pant, and there are other so many chemicals. This is the Surat is industrial hub, sir. Surat is industrial hub. Sir, I have a one question.
Ask me, please.
Yes, why you people are not providing a loan for like you providing salaried person only? Why not for business holder, other people? Why you don't provide a loan? What is the reason? Why?
Sir, I am not providing any loan. I
Yes,
am
yes,
not.
I see. But I want to know from you. I can't call on the bank that tell me the reason. But that's why I'm asking to you. I want to know from you.
Okay, there is two types of loans banks are providing.
Yes,
First one is salaried people.
yes,
They are providing personal loan based on the salary slip, salary credited bank statement. Okay.
yes.
Second one, they are providing business loan.
I see.
Based on the business, the startup company or whatever they are doing business, that account transaction basis.
Mm-hmm. I account according to transaction.
Banking transaction.
I see. I see.
Bank can easily identify to check the bank statement
I see. I see.
along with
Great.
the shop license.
Mm-hmm. I see.
Also,
Great.
bank will check the CIBIL score. CIBIL score mean credit score. If you have
I
any
see.
previous loan, you are paying correct, no EMI bonds, no check bonds, then bank will approve this category also.
I see. I see. Like if I have one startup, okay, see, assume like I have one startup and I wanted to apply for loan for my startup. So, does bank approve my loan or not? About
Unfortunately, unfortunately, right now, very few banks are providing startup for newcomers. ISAF Bank, some new small banks in Kerala,
I
ISAF
see.
Bank, Lakshmi Vilas Bank in North India, and Bandhan Bank in North India. Some very few companies providing startup
Startup loan.
companies.
Startup loan.
Very few companies.
I
This is
see. I see.
I am not responsible. Our central government is answerable to these questions.
Yes. Well, so central government say that startup India, startup India, and
But
you
if
know,
you go to
but
the bank manager will not give you loan. Government will
yes,
say.
yeah, government says so many things. Startup India, make in India. But what about the loan? Give us a loan. Without loan, how we gonna survive? How we gonna
Bank
build
will,
our industry?
Bank will give it to Vijay Mallya and Nirav Modi, 1,000 crore.
Yeah, their people got easily loan. You know, the people got loan easily. But for us, it's a problem. For us, they will check our transaction. They need our ration card. They need our Aadhaar card, PAN card, so many things. At the end, they said, no, we are not ready to. We are not give you. We are not going to provide you a loan. At the end, this is called startup India and make in India. This is the reality. Not providing a loan,
In
not
Kerala,
helping.
state government also responsible, sir. Not
Sorry.
central, state government also responsible.